Creating an e-commerce website in WordPress involves several key steps to set up your online store effectively. Choose a domain and hosting. Select a domain name that reflects your business and purchase hosting from a reliable provider that supports WordPress. Install WordPress. Install WordPress on your hosting account. Most hosting providers offer a simple one-click installation process. Install WooCommerce plugin. WooCommerce is the most popular e-commerce plugin for WordPress. Install it by going to Plugins, add New in your WordPress dashboard, search for WooCommerce and click Install Now followed by Activate. Configure WooCommerce settings. Go through the WooCommerce setup wizard to configure essential settings such as currency, payment methods, shipping options, and tax settings. Choose a theme. Select a WooCommerce compatible theme that suits your store's style and functionality needs. You can find free and premium themes in the WordPress theme repository or from third-party providers. Add products. Start adding products to your store. Go to Products, add New in your WordPress dashboard to create product listings with details like title, description, price and images. Customize design and layout. Use WordPress Customizer or page builders like Elementor to customize the design and layout of your e-commerce website. Adjust colors, fonts and layout to match your brand. Set up pages. Create essential pages such as Home, About Us, Contact and Blog pages. Customize them to provide relevant information and engage visitors. Test and launch. Test your website thoroughly to ensure all functionalities work correctly, including product browsing, checkout process, and payment gateways. Once everything is tested and ready, launch your e-commerce website to start selling products online.